pursuing answers, is it dystopian, utopian, or pragmatic? Human beings have always been driven to pursue answers to life's greatest mysteries. We seek understanding, meaning, and direction in a world that often seems overwhelming and unpredictable. But as we navigate the complexities of modern society, we are faced with a stark reality. Our pursuit of answers has never been more divided. On one hand, we are living in a dystopian landscape where technology and data are increasingly controlling our lives. Our thoughts, behaviors, and interactions are being monitored, tracked, and analyzed to extract value from us. We are reduced to mere nodes in a vast network of interconnected devices and sensors, with little agency or autonomy over our own lives. This is a bleak and unsettling prospect, one that raises fundamental questions about the nature of free will and human dignity. On the other hand, we are also being offered a utopian vision of a future where technology will solve all of our problems and make our lives better. We are promised AI-powered solutions for climate change, cyber attacks, and social inequality. We are told that with enough innovation and collaboration, we can create a world where everyone has access to abundance, security, and happiness. This is a tantalizing dream, one that has captured the imaginations of countless scientists, entrepreneurs, and policymakers. But here's the thing, neither of these scenarios feels quite right. The dystopian vision is too bleak, too limiting, and too boring. Who wants to live in a world where our every move is dictated by some all-powerful government or corporation? And the utopian vision is too abstract, too detached from the messy realities of human existence. We know that problems are never simply solved, they're just reformed and repositioned. So, where does that leave us? The more we learn about the world and our place in it, the more impossible it seems to make grand predictions or declarations about what's to come. We are stuck in a state of incremental, iterative improvement, guided by the pragmatism of trial and error rather than the certainty of ideology or dogma. Pragmatism, in this sense, is not simply a rejection of idealism, it's a recognition that progress is rarely linear, that breakthroughs are often accidental, and that wisdom stems from acknowledging the complexities and uncertainties of human experience. It's an approach that humbly accommodates different perspectives, encourages experimentation and feedback, and seeks to learn from failure rather than shame or conceal it. As we navigate the ambiguity and messiness of human existence, it's essential to recognize that there may not be a single, definitive answer to the dystopian-utopian question. Instead, we are faced with a series of compromises, trade-offs, and iterative improvements, each born from the collective wisdom of countless experiments, discoveries, and mistakes. And maybe, just maybe, that's the most pragmatic and realistic way to think about it, not as a zero-sum game where we sacrifice one future for another, but as a multifaceted, multivalent, and forever-changing quest for answers, where every step and every failure is a chance to learn, to grow, and to pursue a better future for all